In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Chime Credit Builder Card. If you've just received your card and are eager to start building credit, you've come to the right place. Activating your card is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a breeze. First things first, once your Chime Credit Builder Card arrives in the mail, you'll need to have the Chime app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it easily in the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. The app is essential for activating your card and managing your account, so make sure it's downloaded and updated to the latest version. Once you have the app ready, open it up and head over to the Settings section. The Settings menu is where you'll find all your account management tools, including the option to activate your new card. Now within the settings, look for the Activate Card option. It should be pretty visible, but if you don't see it right away, a quick scroll might help. Tap on Activate Card, and this will bring up a series of prompts on your screen. The prompts will guide you through the activation process. Make sure you follow these instructions carefully. They are designed to verify your identity and link your card to your account securely. You may be asked to enter some information, such as your card number or other identification details, so have your card handy just in case. The process is generally quick, and within a few moments, your card should be activated. After you've completed these steps and your card is activated, you're all set. Your Chime Credit Builder Card will be ready for use immediately. You can now start using it to make purchases and manage your spending, all while building your credit. Remember, responsible use of your card can help improve your credit score, so be mindful of your spending and payments. And that's how to activate a Chime Credit Builder Card. It's a simple process that sets you up for success on your credit building journey. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends or family who might also be getting started with their Chime Credit Builder Card. Thanks for watching, and happy credit building.